Hello YouTube, this is your man, Big B Production 100. I have an awesome video for you guys today. Today in this short video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn any website into an application with just using Automator. So let's begin. First off, what you want to do is you want to open up your Automator. Now there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can either hit Command Spacebar and type in Automator to open up your Automator through your Spotlight, as you see. But in this case, I'll just use Alfred. Now, once you have your Automator open, your window should look something like what I have right here. Now, what you want to do is yours might already be selected as for application, so just click choose. Now, once we have done that, you just want to simply come over to the left-hand side to where it says, basically this is your action. So you want to come to the left-hand side where your actions are, and you want to scroll down to where you'll see get specified URLs. Alright, once we have found get specified URLs, you just want to double click that. You will then have added your first action. Now, with this first action that we just added, you would have http://www.apple.com. But we don't want that. We want to change this to a different website, such as of your choice. So in this case, I'll just remove that, and now I would add one. So just click on add. But in this case, I already have my website saved, which is facebook.com/BeTheHDR, because I'm a photographer on my off days when I'm not working. So now that we have added the website of our choice, we now want to move over to the next step, which is pretty simple. Now with this next step, you want to locate the website pop-up action in the left-hand side. That would be in the list. So it's probably quicker to just enter in the name in the search field, but it's pretty simple to just come over to the left hand side and just basically double click it. If you just scroll down to the very bottom where you'll see website pop up, once you see that, just double click that. Now with the two actions you've just configured should now contain the website you want to use in the top box, and the lower box presents several actions to control the website size and user agent. For example, you can view a website as it's intended to view on an iPad or iPhone, but there are also options to set the positions on the screen, such as centered, and you can just choose the settings that you feel are most appropriate for you. So basically you have site size, you can set that for large, medium, iPhone, or whatever. You have user agent, Safari, iPhone, iPad, and output select text. But in this case, we want to leave everything as is. We don't want to change none of that. So now that our configuration is complete, you can just simply come up to where it says File, choose Save. Once you choose Save, you should get a little drop down box. Now just basically type in the name that you want to type in for your website. So in this case, I guess I'll type in, let me see, Facebook HDR, I guess. And you can just save this to the desktop or wherever you like. In this case, I'll save mine to the desktop. File format, don't change that. Keep that as application and just click save. And that's pretty much it. Now let me just move my Twitter application out of the way here. Now we can just close this down for now because we don't need that anymore. Now with this application we just created, if you double click it, you will see that then it will take you to your website. And I have my Facebook here. This is my profile here, as you see. So I'm going to just close this down for right now. Now, if you have any cool icon saved on your Mac, you can change that icon. So that's no problem. So let's just go to a website and find a cool icon. Okay, I have Icon Finder open here. I will just take that icon, save it to my downloads folder. Okay, we can close that down for now. Now let's just take that icon and drag it to the desktop. Okay, now that we have our icon on the desktop, we now want to change that PNG file into an icon. So there is one application that you might want to download if you don't have it already, and that is called Image to Icons. What Image to Icons is, it's an application that will take files from any website and convert them into a icon for your application. So we now want to take the icon I'm sorry, not the icon. We now want to take the application that we just created, which is Facebook or whatever you guys created. Save that to your applications folder. All right, now we just want to right click on the application itself. And we want to right click on the icon that we just found on the website, which is Icon Finder. Select that icon and do a Command C for copy. Now come over to the Facebook icon and do a Command V for paste. You will then see that that icon just changed to Facebook. So now that we have that done, we can just take our application and drag it down here. So I'm going to drag mine to my dock here next to YouTube, and we're going to close that down with a Command W. Now we're going to close down Automator because we don't need that anymore. And now that we have our Facebook and our YouTube together side by side, let's open one up. And that is how you guys can turn any website into an application for Mac OS X Lion. This will also work on OS X Mountain Lion. So if you guys are using OS X Mountain Lion or Lion, it doesn't matter. It works for both. This is your man, Big B Production 100. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you guys like the video, which I hope you did. I also hope you guys found this video very informative. I'm sorry if it was too long, but holla at you.